There are cases that you would like to underline text within your web page. And to do that, we give you the underline options within the text element. Let's see how that works. I have a paragraph here and I want to underline some part of this, not the whole paragraph. But let's first have a look at what happens if you interact with this text element as we usually do. Interacting with any text element, you simply click on it and you will see a cursor appears there as well as the options toolbar. Whenever you have this situation, it means that whatever changes you apply here in the options toolbar will apply to all the text within that text element. Over here, you will see we have the option to underline. Select, and the underline is applied to the entire paragraph within that text element. To get rid of it, simply click again on the underline and you get rid of the underline. But in most cases, you may be just going to underline a few words or part of a sentence so that you can make it stand out. To achieve that, you will need to highlight only that part of the sentence that you want underlined. I'll go here and then I'll select like you would do in any other editor. And now when I hit underline, you notice that only that part of the text is underlined.